This is Yogeshkumar Rathod. Very few among the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on Warren Buffett. Warren Edward Buffett is born on August 30, 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska, United States. Warren Buffett bought share at the age of 11, and at the age of 13 he filed tax return. Warren Buffett educated from Columbia Business School, University of Nebraska, Lincoln, Wharton School, etc. Warren Buffett, he is one of the successful investor of all time. Presently, he is the CEO and chairman of Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway owns dozens of companies that includes Duracell batteries, restaurant chain, Queen Dairy, etc. Warren Buffett is a businessman, investor, philanthropist, etc. His books includes The Intelligent Investor, Buffettology, etc. Please like and share my video. Please share my please subscribe my video. My YouTube channel is Tech Yogeshkumar. So please subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Yogeshkumar and Education Yogeshkumar. Warren Buffett is an investor, businessman, philanthropist, Warren Buffett bought his share at the age of 11, and he filed tax returns at the age of 13. Warren Buffett is best known uh, for businessman, investor, philanthropist, etc. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.